So I'm not trying to get myself in the video. I kind of just want to focus. So this, I mean, obviously you could use scissors, but what I want to do, put this over a tin. All right. Where's my remote? Oh, what do you look at that? It works. All I did was that. It's ghetto. Oh my god, it works. It works perfectly. So that's what I did. Holy shit, it works. This is just regular tin foil. It was a 99-cent store. Oops, I moved it a bit. So, but just to prove it to you that the tin foil kind of works. I'm not even sure if it works. Well, it works now. I just moved it a bit, but let's see if I reprogram it. Because it just got off-centered. Tin foil is on there. Maybe I have to press. Oh, I already got 5 channels fast. That's usually a good sign that we're on the right track. It's going pretty fast. But this is a DT420. How convenient. So it's hard not to forget. These don't really sell in EB that much, but you would just get these at the 99-cent store. So it's this. Of course, if this doesn't work for whatever reason, you could always use a DVD player, but it's not really connected that much, the tinfoil. I could have aligned it better, but these are some issues. These are some real issues, common issues you're gonna run into. The TV is not gonna be working that well. I wouldn't stop it, by the way, if it's scanning the TV and you go back. I stopped it a few times. Even if it had 5 channels on it, it wouldn't work that well. I had to scan all the way. So for this TV, I don't know. Maybe I just found that 5 channels. It's okay. It's $3. I mean, a movie costs $1, so that's like you made back your investment by, $2 more. I'm not even sure how these channels get paid, actually. Aren't they like encrypted by like the... Oh, 5 channels. I don't know. I have to work out a bit. Nothing. No, nothing. So it's really about how you position the tinfoil, I guess. But when you do, it's pretty clear. Let's just do this. I'm trying to not get cancer because according to the thing, it could give you cancer, and I don't doubt it. I mean, I don't doubt the state of California. I mean, I felt something. Felt like it's getting... I don't think this is safe at all. I don't... Oh. Yeah, but if you get cancer, it's not my fault. I mean, it says there right on the package. It says, says, this product is known to cause chemicals such as lead known to the state of California. Nonsense. Please use scissors. Please use scissors. Cut along the package. So I got 8 channels now. It's 3 more than the last one, so it really depends. But this is how I racked it up this time. I had to find out it works. I'm not a scientist. Despite having these books, I mean, this is not relevant to what I'm doing right now. What would a cookbook do to teach you how to do this? I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet because I have a family in the house. I don't want them to hear me talking to myself, think I'm crazy. Especially during this pandemic. But all I did was click a menu and I went down. I went down, use this thingy. I'm sure if you don't have the remote, the side thing would probably work too. Should work. If it doesn't work, I mean, you should probably get a new TV. But if you don't, like if you're in a prison cell or something, like, oh, I got 8 channels. Let's see. You know, no, it does not work. So I don't think. Oh, ew. It worked. But only for one. Wait. So I guess you had to put up higher. I'm gonna put it up way higher over here. I'm not gonna. There we go. That's how high it's gonna get. So. Oh, got something. Oh. Okay, so yeah. So you can still see the errors, you know.
So where do you go? Newman Springs Publishing is America's... Answer any questions you have.
Again, this is fair use. I'm allowed to show you this because I'm not showing you the whole thing, or I'm using it in fair use, according to the California state law. I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes because my phone's doesn't hold that much stuff. It's a Samsung. Not that Samsung doesn't make large phones or large capacity phones, but I'm not even sure what this is. Like, it's going up and it's going down. I don't think that has anything to do with anything. Is it how many seconds it's going on? Is that how? I'm not even sure, because I know it's not 30 seconds. All I know is this is useless. This is what it is. And make sure that when you go to source, or go to source, it has to be under TV, not under an AV. Again, I'm going to show you this again, just in case you're scrolling through this video and you're like, hey, I need the information. This is just 99-cent store antenna. I know the thing in the back is kind of loose, but I didn't use any screw. Like you could screw it on, but I didn't. I just used. This is just raw. This is just raw. This is just a raw RG49 axle cable. I have one more minute before it goes to 10 minutes. So I guess you could put more tin foil on it. I wouldn't put this so close to you all the time. I would keep it away, high up, because you don't want to get cancer. Just because there's not any videos on YouTube regarding this product giving cancer, and the product says so. I mean, they're probably dead already. You don't know. Could be the only survivor of making this video. You know, how are they gonna? I mean, how are you gonna see the company? This is 90 people that go to 99-cent store. You know, don't have good lawyers. You know.
Buyer's signature on the affidavit? Yeah, but it's illegible, and I guarantee.
Some there's good channels. You get good receptions.
Like,
but yeah.